Binomial distribution. These are the list of sums which we are going to solve. There are around 24 sums. Binomial distribution, the probability is NCX, P raised to X, Q raised to N minus X. P is the probability of success, Q is the probability of failure. Total probability is equal to 1. So we say P plus Q is equal to 1. Expectation, mean, average is NP, variance is NPQ. Binomial is for n less than expectation equal to 3, so NP equal to 3, variance 1.2, NPQ equal to 1.2. In place of NP, replace it by 3, so you'll get the value of Q. On an average 3 out of 10, that means the probability P is 3 by 10. Q will be 1 minus P, so that will be 7 by 10. So we get the value of P and Q. N is 10, so we will substitute in the formula, and none will fail means X is equal to 0. 10%, 10 by 100, Q will be 90 by 100, N equal to 5, none will be defective, X is equal to 0, at most 2, 2 and less. Sum number 12, 20%, 20 by 100, so Q will be 80 by 100, N is equal to 5, at least 2 suffer from TB, that means you're going to find the probability of 2 and more, so that will be 2, 3, 4, 5. In sum number 13, you're tossing of 2 dice, so you write the sample space of 2 dice. Toss 3 times, so N equal to 3. P is what? The probability of getting sum as 9, so that will be 4 by 36. So Q will be 32 by 36. 5 defective are mixed with 20 good ones. That means total bulbs are 25. Your N is equal to 4, and you need to find the probability distribution of defective bulbs. That means X equal to 0, X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything you need to calculate. Sum number 18. P is probability of getting head, so that is half. Q will be probability of getting a tail, that is also half. Here 100 set of 10 tosses, so there is a concept of small n and capital N. Your small n is 10, capital N is 100. We are finding probability of at least 7 heads, and then we are going to find the expectation, which is n into the probability what you are finding. Same is applicable for the female concept. Failure is given, past is asked, Q is 20%, P is 1 minus Q. There are 25 batches of 6 students, so your small n is 6, capital N is 25. I need to calculate for X greater than 4, expectation N into P. Always remember, when there is a sum of boy, girl, head, tail, the probability, that is a P part, is always you fix either for boy or for girl. So your probability of P will be half, girl will be also half. Similarly is applicable for head and tail. So as you can see in this sum, your capital N is 1280. Your small n is 10. You are going to fix P for head, so that will be half. Q will be half. All the sums we are calculating expectations. So your small n is 20. Capital N is 1000. Your P is 2 by 20. So Q will be 1 minus P. We are finding the probability of at least 3. So that will be 3 and more. So it will be 1 minus. In this particular sum, you are actually given a relation, that is 5 even number is twice as 4 even numbers. So you get a relation. Your small n is 10. We were going to calculate P. We know that Q is 1 minus P. So when we substitute and simplify, we get the value of P, and then we'll get the value of Q, that is 1 minus P. And then we need to calculate no even number, so that will be probability of X equal to 0. Expectation as usual, N into the probability. Fit of binomial concept is you need to use the binomial formula and find out all the frequency which is given in the question.